If you're searching for an AI side hustle you can start for $5 or less, you've landed on the right video. Let's be honest, a lot of make money online videos are nonsense. But the truth is, AI tools have made starting an online business more accessible than ever. Some of the best ways to make money with AI are by solving real, slightly boring problems for busy people. You don't need huge startup capital, and you don't need a tech degree. You can start a highly profitable business venture for less than the price of a high street coffee. In some cases, literally under $5. We're diving straight into 7 practical, high-value AI side hustles you can start right now with zero financial risk. Before we get stuck into the list, if you appreciate realistic, hype-free strategies, take a quick second to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, AI Copywriting Tools. Subscribing ensures you won't miss our weekly, no-nonsense guides to building real income. Now, let's jump into our first opportunity. Number 1 is AI-assisted copywriting and outreach for local businesses. Walk down your local high street and you'll pass dozens of fantastic independent shops. The family Italian restaurant, the boutique florist, or the local plumber. They're brilliant at their trades, but their online copy is usually non-existent. They don't have the time to write updates, and they can't afford a pricey agency. This is where you step in. Use the highly robust free tiers of Gemini or Claude to draft personalized social media posts, email newsletters, or Google business updates for them. To manage, schedule, and automate all this content seamlessly, I highly recommend using SocialBee. I've left an affiliate link in the description below. They offer a brilliant 14-day free trial and a full money-back guarantee. Here's the best part. You can pass the software cost directly along to your clients as part of your monthly fee, keeping your out-of-pocket starting cost at exactly zero. Spend 20 minutes researching a local business. Generate 5 ready-to-publish posts using Gemini, schedule them in SocialBee, and show the business owner what you can do. Offer a simple package, say, £50 a month. Secure just 5 local clients, and that's a steady, passive monthly earner. Next up, at number 2, creating digital resources for educators. Teachers are incredibly overworked and constantly hunting for lesson plans, worksheets, and classroom activities. You can use the free tiers of Gemini or Claude to generate comprehensive lesson outlines, quiz questions, or reading comprehension passages on any subject. To make your resources stand out from the crowd, use 11 Labs. They have an excellent free tier for learning the tools, and their first commercial plan starts at just $6 a month, about £5. You can use 11 Labs to generate premium, hyper-realistic audio read-alongs or educational voiceovers to bundle with your worksheets. List these digital files on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It costs nothing to create them, and Etsy only charges a small listing fee. Once uploaded, teachers worldwide can purchase them, building you a passive digital product business. Our third side hustle is building custom AI assistants for local professionals. In 2026, building specialized AI tools requires absolutely zero coding. Think about mortgage brokers, independent estate agents, or local accountants. They spend hours every day drafting property descriptions, summarizing meeting notes, and answering the same client queries. Using the custom builder tools inside Gemini or Claude, you can build a bespoke assistant trained specifically on their business. Simply feed the tool their business guidelines, facts, and past writing examples. Then program it to write exactly in their professional voice. To sweeten the deal, Show them how they can plug their new assistant's output directly into SocialBee to automate their marketing. Let them use SocialBee's 14-day free trial to see the results, and let them cover the subscription cost going forward. You can charge a one-time setup fee of a couple of £100 to build this. You aren't selling software. You're selling them their Friday afternoons back. Fourth is creating faceless short-form video content for affiliate marketing. We've all seen those quick, engaging videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels that don't feature a human face. Many of these accounts promote useful mobile apps or software, earning a generous commission on every sign-up they refer. With free AI video editors and free stock footage, you can easily batch produce dozens of videos in a single afternoon. For the voiceovers, background music, and sound effects, 11 Labs is the undisputed king. Use their free tier to get the hang of it and upgrade to their $6 a month commercial tier when you're ready to publish and monetize. You don't need a camera and you don't need to show your face. You just need a solid hook, a clean voiceover, and your affiliate link in your bio. Once the algorithm picks up just one of your videos, the returns can be massive. Moving on to number 5, video localization and audio dubbing. As the creator economy expands globally, creators are realizing they're losing massive audiences by only publishing in English. But hiring professional multilingual voice actors is incredibly expensive. 11 Labs has completely revolutionized this space with their AI dubbing and translation tools. They allow you to translate and dub audio with stunning accuracy, maintaining the original speaker's exact tone, emotion, and vocal style. You can play around on their free tier to perfect your workflow, then jump onto their $6 a month commercial tier to run your actual dubbing business. Reach out to mid-sized YouTube creators or businesses looking to expand and offer to translate their existing video catalog. It's a premium, high-ticket service that you can complete in minutes, keeping your profit margins incredibly high. For number 6, we have AI-powered image alt text and SEO for e-commerce stores. Millions of Shopify and WooCommerce brands lose organic search traffic because Google can't read their product images. Furthermore, global accessibility laws require businesses to have accurate alt text for visually impaired users. Store owners simply don't have the time to manually write tags for thousands of products. You can automate this entirely. Gemini and Claude both have outstanding free image recognition capabilities. Upload product images in bulk and let the AI generate highly detailed, SEO-friendly alt text in seconds. Once you optimize those product listings, offer to auto-schedule their social media promo posts using SocialBee. Take advantage of SocialBee's 14-day free trial to secure the client, run the campaign, and pass the software cost onto them in your monthly retainer. It's an easy, high-value sell that costs you nothing but outreach time. Finally, at number 7, AI-generated podcast show notes and social media packs. Podcasters love to record, but they absolutely hate the administrative grind that comes afterward. They dread writing detailed show notes, extracting key takeaways, drafting social promo posts, and creating timestamped chapters. You can handle this entire post-production process in minutes using the free tiers of Gemini or Claude to generate ready-to-publish show notes and timestamps. To stand out, turn a key audio highlight into an animated audiogram with captions and offer to schedule all their promotional posts directly into their feeds using SocialBee. Thanks to SocialBee's 14-day free trial and money-back guarantee, you can set this up with zero upfront risk. and simply add the software cost to your client's monthly bill. They get professional, platform-ready marketing assets, and you get a recurring monthly retainer. There you have it. 7 genuine, high-yield, low-cost AI side hustles you can start today for less than the price of a sandwich. The tools are ready and the market demand is huge. Pick just one of these ideas this weekend. Spend an hour getting comfortable with the free tools and take action. If you found today's video valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to AI Copywriting Tools. Your support keeps us making these practical guides. Thanks so much for watching. Best of luck with your new side hustle, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.